Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, the last time we had any significant rain, it was like 1.5 inches of rain, was back on August 26th. So if you're keeping score, we haven't had any substantial rain in the last 21 days. We'll make it day 22 coming up for tomorrow as well. Now, we do have some wet weather by mid to late week. I wouldn't call it heavy rain, but some damp weather on the way. In the meantime, visibility okay in Newport, though we noticed a little hazy appearance on the camera lens. Humidity is on the rise. I do expect really widespread fog to be forming over the next several hours, and it will spill over very early tomorrow morning. Temperatures now very uniform in the upper 50s to around 60. We've got 60 in Providence, New Bedford 56 with some fog, Taunton 57, as well as Narragansett. So here's the breakdown. The fog overnight, locally dense. It spills over into early tomorrow morning. It may take until, say, 9, 10 a.m. to burn off. But once that happens, sunshine takes over the rest of the day. And really a better part of the day is dry, and the afternoon looks pretty good. Heavy rain or downpours, no, but some light showers by midweek. The timing on this appears to be Wednesday night and on into Thursday. Early call on the weekend. I mean, we're already thinking about the weekend, right? Even though it's Monday, going with dry and cooler weather. Yeah, at the airport in Warwick, where the official records are kept, the last 21 days, only 0.02 of an inch of rain. We don't see any rain for tomorrow, but by Wednesday night and on into Thursday, some light amounts are expected. So quiet across the Northeast. Tropical system producing just historic amounts of rain across the Carolinas. A lot of flooding in North Carolina. The bulk of this storm system is actually going to peel back to the west, and what will happen is a new area of low pressure will form offshore, and what that'll do is enhance some moisture and throw back some light precipitation. Hasn't even formed yet, but throwing back some light rain Wednesday night into at least Thursday morning. When you look at the rainfall accumulation now until Wednesday evening, notice how the bulk of it is still to our south, but just starting to nudge our area by after sunset on Wednesday night. Tomorrow morning, the bigger weather issue, at least for several hours, would be some locally dense fog early. Notice mid to late morning, it starts to thin out to partly to eventually mostly sunny skies by 11 a.m. The afternoon is real nice. It's mild, it's dry, it's brighter with a mix of clouds and sunshine. Another dry day with temperatures topping out in the mid to upper 70s. Beaches, kind of low clouds and fog early, but it does thin to sunshine. Air temperature at around 70, water temps in the upper 60s. Very poor visibility on the bay early in the morning, improving after 10 a.m. East breeze turning southeast at about 5 to 10 knots. All right, 7-day forecast showing some of that fog early, then some brightening skies, temperatures in the upper 70s. The daytime on Wednesday is dry, showers, light showers Wednesday night into at least Thursday morning, cooler on Thursday, kind of damp on Friday, mostly during the morning. It's cool with mostly cloudy skies. Right now, the early call for the weekend, a mix of clouds and sun, breezy, cool and dry, both Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures in the upper 60s. Tomorrow's dry, but the fog may be so thick in the morning you may get a little bit of that mist with the windshield wipers on delay very early, but improving.
All right, Tony, thank you. Coming up next in sports.